Hi everyone, here we've got ASUS ROG Phone 3 and let me share with you all possible ways to block a number on this device. So first of all, let's tap on the dialer because actually all the actions which we will do are here in this area. So first of all, let me show you how to block a number using your contact list directly. So let's tap on the contacts and find the contact you'd like to block. Let's tap on it and tap on this three dots icon in the right upper corner. As you can see, on the very first position, we've got Add to Block List option, so you can simply tap on it, and now your device is telling you that you will no longer receive any incoming calls or text messages from that number. So if you're ready, let's tap on OK, and as you can see, your device just successfully added this number to the blacklist. Let me get back. So this is how to do it using your contact list, and now we can do it using the settings, and it doesn't really matter if you will be on your contacts or the recents. Simply tap on this three dots icon and tap on the settings. As you can see here, we've got call blocking and block list, so let's enter, and here we've got three options. First of all, we can block some numbers and we can manage those options using those switchers, and under it we've got our blacklist. So first of all, we can, for example, block the numbers which are not in contact, so we can simply tap on the switcher to turn it on, and we can block calls from hidden numbers, so let's activate that also. Now let's tap on the block list, and as you can see here, we've got our blacklist, and this is the number we just added from our contact list. Obviously, you can add another just by tapping on this plus icon, and here you can choose it from the contacts also. So this is the second way to block the contact. You can choose it from recent call logs. You can enter a number manually and enter a SIP number. So I will show you, for example, how to choose another from the contacts using this option and how to enter a number manually. So let's tap on choose from contacts, and as you can see, we just been transferred to our contact list. So here you can choose, for example, multiple contacts, and you will be able to add them to the block list just by tapping on the stick icon. As you can see, they immediately appear on the blacklist. Now let's check the option with entering a number, and as you can see, now we've got the keypad, so we can manually enter the number we want to block. Let's tap on OK, and the same situation, it immediately appears on our blacklist. Now, of course, we can unblock them. So in order to do that, just tap on this option. And as you can see here, we can decide if you would like to block calls and text messages, or block calls only, or you can view contact, or remove it from the blacklist. So simply tap on remove from blacklist, tap on OK, and as you can see, it immediately disappears. So it means that that you will receive all incoming calls and text messages from that number. So actually that's all. Here we've got all the possible ways to block a number in your ASUS ROG Phone 3. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.